Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by ensuring prerequisites are met. Plug in the laptop, confirm battery is at least 50%, and back up critical files now. Once done, open Settings and navigate to Update and Security. That's where Windows manages updates. You're starting the process immediately. Click Check for updates to query Microsoft servers. Allow the system to download available packages. Downloads may take minutes to hours depending on connection speed, so be patient and keep the device powered during transfer. You'll now move through the middle steps, review the list, optional drivers versus required quality updates, and decide what to install. Once you select Install Now, downloads apply in sequence. Some updates require component staging, which takes extra time. Make sure to schedule restarts. Choose Restart Now or pick a time that won't interrupt work because pending installs finalize during reboot. While waiting, avoid heavy disk activity so installation writes complete cleanly. That reduces risk of corrupted up. Complete the process by restarting and allowing final configuration to run. That's when drivers and system components finalize. Once the desktop returns, check update history to confirm success and note any error codes. If an update failed, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter, clear the Windows Update cache, then retry. These steps often resolve common errors. Finally, create a restore point after a successful update so you can roll back if problems appear later. That single precaution saves hours if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.